What if I told you there's a way to move from 32-bit to 64-bit Windows without losing everything on your computer? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step and show you how to upgrade your system safely while keeping your important files intact. Now, a lot of people think switching from 32-bit to 64-bit is just a simple setting, something you can change in a few clicks. And honestly, that would make things a lot easier. But once you actually try to do it, you'll notice something strange. There's no option, no button, nothing. And that's because upgrading from 32-bit to 64-bit Windows isn't a typical update. It requires a fresh installation of the operating system. But don't worry, that doesn't mean you'll lose your files. So in the next steps, I'll show you exactly how to prepare your system, back up your data, and install the 64-bit version of Windows the right way. Let's get started. You need to bring up your any of the favorite browser, like Google Chrome, and in the search, you have to type Windows 10, ISO, download, and then click on the first link that says download Windows 10 DIS image. And now once you come up here, you will not find the Windows 10 ISO download option. So what you will have to do, click on the three dot at the right and top of Chrome browser. Then from the suggestion over up to more tools, click developer tools. And once the developer tool comes up again, click on the three dot of the developer tools, go up to more tools, and click on network conditions. Now at the bottom, in the network condition, you will find user agent. Uncheck this option from the drop down, select Chrome OS. Once selected, you have to reload the page. You will find the Windows 10 update, that is the ISO option. So click on select edition, choose Windows 10 multi-edition ISO, click on confirm. Now you can close the developer tool, choose your product language, then choose 64 or 32-bit, whichever you want to download. So meanwhile, the next thing that you will have to do, bring up a new tab, and you have to search for WinCDMU, and then click on this download that is in a green color. Click run as admin, click on yes. Now here, check the option that says customize installation option and check this below. Option require administrative right to mount images. Then click on install. And once it will be done, it says installation complete. So you will have to click on OK. And now you have to right click on the Windows 10 ISO that you have downloaded, right? Click on it, click, select drive letter and mount. Click on yes, and now here you don't have to make any kind of changes. So simply click on OK. It will be installing the driver, then click run setup.exe, click on yes, and then finally you will be getting this kind of box that says preparing the Windows 10, so you will have to wait here. It says install Windows 10, so you will have to check the box here. Then you have to click on next now. Now here it will ask you to enter the product key. So I will be sharing the generate key in the description. You will have to copy that key. So copy from the description, paste here, and then it will say your product keyword continue when you are ready. So click on next, click music accept. So once all the checks are completed, it will give you a tick mark that says install Windows 10. So now you will have to click on install and the installation will now be started. So simply wait until it's all being completed. All right. Guys, finally you can see that Windows 10 has been installed on our Windows 10 and we successfully upgraded it from Windows 7 to Windows 10. You will find this video helpful. And if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.